Alright, so we are back navigating through the plaisted companies, and I am trying to find the 1.5-inch rock, which buckshot is here, and 1.5-inch river rock. Right here, I think. Cool. The old Komatsu. Well, they were right on top of that one. Typically, well, I shouldn't say typically, not always. Don't always have to wait, but he's pretty quick.
Not too long, yeah.
Yeah, pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm. Sheesh, you think we got too much, maybe? Thank you, sir. There's a big machine.
Yeah, it's a big machine. You're on candid camera. That's all right. All right, let's see what we weigh. What were we before?
We were 11.8.
Oh, okay.
We were supposed to have gotten about 4 ton.
I think so.
I don't know. I'll see if I can zoom here into the weight-o-meter.
All right, so we're on a little bit of a landscaping project here for one of our lawn care customers. And what we're doing here is we're installing bullet pavers along here. And then we're gonna put 1.5-inch river rock on top of our weed barrier. So that's what we're after today. I decided to run it even with the cement slab out here so we can come around the window well. And then I'm gonna cut it into about 32 inches roughly on this side. And what we did right away this morning was we measured off the house so we're consistent, made dots, and then we connected the dots using our marking tool here. So that's kind of how you tackle something like this. We'll show you from start to finish here on the other side, but we're going to be just kind of getting this done, and then we'll get the pavers set. We'll do this side first, and then we'll move on to the other side and make sure everything looks good here. So we're going to get to work here. We've got this job prepped now for the most part. I'm going to run I should have got a bigger level width, but I'm just checking to make sure we got some grade coming away from the house. In the sand, it's not as important because the sand filters the water and the runoff really well, so it's not going to be a huge deal, but I should still just, check it in a few spots, make sure we got some grade away from the house. And yep, we still do. We're good. So this is going to be good. We're going to start with this. We chopped this off somewhat flush here with the angle grinder. We're going to dig this out. We're going to get started with block 1 right here. Keeping her nice and tight.
Yep.
Looks like.
That needs to, yeah.
Or you need more behind.
More behind.
Here.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like the land comes down, so you kind of got to follow the land too. But that's the nice thing about bullet pavers. They're pretty flexible. Alright, so here's where we're at. We got this all prepped here. Bullet pavers are in, nice and tight. We gotta fill in some a little bit along the edge here. And then we'll be putting down the barrier. And then we'll be going around, we gotta go around this plant over here too. So that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I think we'll just cut it off there and then we'll just cut a slit in it and kind of work it around there. And then we have two other plants that the customer wanted to save over there. So we're gonna poke those in on both sides of that. And then I'm sure later on we'll be planting all sorts of other stuff along here, but just kinda wanna fill you guys in. I haven't been recording a ton because we're a tiny bit behind right now. Kinda seems like the way that it always goes, but we'll do our best here to get a video for you and try to get some more once we get the rock rolling here. So we're gonna get back to it. But it's going good, going good. A little after 1 right now. You good with driving the tractor back?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, perfect. I'll meet you over there, but we'll finish this off first. We'll just put this wheelbarrow in the back of the dump trailer. Got it all cleaned off up here like nothing ever happened. I'll put this in my wife's van here. Oh, actually I might put it in the truck so we have it for tomorrow. I think we're gonna be doing some more landscaping tomorrow. Man, that's awesome. That job turned out really nice.
Did you grab that other camera already?
I did. I'm gonna run and quick.
Just finishing up putting those pavers in.
Perfect. My other camera died. That looks really nice. Good job.
I tried.
Probably could bury those in some.
Do you want them buried?
Well, yeah, I mean, they shouldn't just sit on top of the rock. You know what I mean? Sorry, I should have told you that earlier.
I didn't want to bury them.
Well, no, just dig them in. There's stuff. Oh, Avery.
He probably thought those were just dead patches in the ground.
Yeah, maybe. Looks good. Looks good. Looks pretty good. And then I'll have Mr. Jaden drive the tractor back over to property where we're doing some landscaping. Just the little things. I don't really want to see rocks on the edge. We'll have to reseed some of this.
Yeah.
Turned out good.
Oh, did you figure out what was going on with the seed?
No, I told her,
Well, you got to go at it a couple times a day right now because it's so hot. It's not like prime time for germination, you know?
yeah, I told her just to water a little bit more. Try it again, and then if she's still not happy, just take it back to where she got it and just say, hey,
This didn't work.
this is not growing. I did what the bag says. It's not
Right.
working, and then, yeah.
Yep. Go start heading there.
You'll know it when you see it.
Put her in high, and you can, that thing's legal, just drive it down the side of the road.
Doesn't have blinkers or anything?
It has, here, let me, you guys go
Yeah.
take care of that. I'll go show them how to. Thank you, Avery.
How to legally drive this thing. Alright, I'm going to GoPro. I'll record the drive.
Yeah. They've seen enough of that. They know how much I love my tractor already.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, I didn't get all that out.
What is it?
I didn't get all that out. You want to dump it in the back? Here's the turn signals.
Okay.
So just leave these on. That's your hazard lights.
Gotcha.
Okay. I just put it in high.
Turn this week, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to get right on that so it doesn't get forgotten about.
Yeah, I think,
Oh no.
it says
Whatever.
20 days or something.
Here. Did you like that? I know, I just got done telling the viewers how much I like driving my tractor, and they already know that.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Is that on?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's always on.
Come on, Jaden, dump her in there. I love how rookies will take that thing all the way up, tipped back, just raining on them. You kind of got to level it out as you're going up. Shake it. The bricks are already buried.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have to unbury those, and then I got to figure out where to dump that.
Maybe.
Look at that.
Thought it sounded like a school bus when I started. Like the. But
It's good though. We're good.
Yeah, if you lock that gate in.
yep,
Okay, it
Do you
should be
think?
good.
Do you think they're happy?
I think so. I think it looks nice.
they better be.
They better be. Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Oh shit! Don't stop.
Oh, yeah, that's
No, put it-
definitely going on YouTube. Oh.
Alright.
That's awesome. You guys did a good job. Here.
Yeah, you too. Bump,
Good job.
bump,
Good job.
bump. Poor thing. She's like, it's squishy.
She's getting squished all the time.
She's
Oh.
gonna come out knowing how to do it.
Landscaping. She'll just be a landscaper. She probably will, just like her mama.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you at home. Drive safe.
All right, you too.
What was I saying?
Mm.
Remind me when we get here.
Oh, look at the little ducks. Little mallards. Eh. Good to see a good hatch this year. Open this up for Jaden. Make sure we got our trailer lights before we head all the way home. Jaden, no! I don't know where he's going. Just taking the thing for a joyride.